Wait, don't skip this ad. If you want to learn how to hack Android devices with IoT, and that's not all, it will teach you artificial intelligence of things, that is, artificial intelligence with IoT. So, this course is a special course where you will learn artificial intelligence with combination of Internet of Things and penetration testing. So you will be able to create rubber duckies to hack into Android devices and do penetration testing. You will be able to use ESP8266 chipset to penetrate into Wi-Fi networks and test the security of Wi-Fi networks. That's not all. You will be learning AI and Internet of Things from basics. The best part is it includes 15 projects. Yes, a single course includes 15 projects. Already 3000 people have enrolled with an average rating of 5 star with 280 people reviewing on Udemy. This course actually covers 20 sensors. Yes, you are absolutely right. You won't just learn the basics but also covering 20 sections with including sensors that are used in IoT device. And the best part is we have 50,000 students on Udemy, 1 lakh minute of an academy teaching with real-time hacking techniques included in the course. We also work with government agencies and you will get instant access. Let's take a look at what you will actually learn in this course. This is a beginner-friendly course. So you will learn the basics of electronics, ESP8266 chipset and Arduino. This is a combination of AI and IoT. That means that you will learn artificial intelligence of things, that is artificial intelligence and information security with Internet of Things. So AIoT. Plus, you will also receive a university level certification. The best part is the course is not at all boring. It covers only 25% theory and 50% is screen recording. The best part is overall the full course is actually 75% practical hacking techniques which we will be doing step by step on our device. Let's take a look at what you will actually learn in this course. There are a lot of things that are covered with 20 plus projects, but the major 4 are deauthentication Wi-Fi penetration testing, that is deauth Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi phish attack that will help you to create a Wi-Fi phish, Wi-Fi rubber ducky that will help you to create HID Wi-Fi rubber ducky. The best part is AI plus IoT plus cyber security, that is artificial intelligence with Internet of Things and cyber security. All these things are covered practically. Let's take a look at our instructor. In 2015, Priyangada received 53,000 students with teaching on Tutorial Point, Edunix, Unacademy and various other platforms. In 2018, Priyangada on his personal channel hit silver play button with 1 lakh subscribers on his personal channel. Let's talk about the things we did in 2020. In 2020, Priyangada started with cyber forensic for cops, and in 2024 he became the national icon by Ratan Tata National Icon Award by Tata Trust in EdTech, that is educational technology category 2024. Let's take a look at what is inside this course. So this course is all about threat, strength, weakness and opportunities. You will learn artificial intelligence of things, that is AIoT, that is included in the course. It has IoT control with 2 L's. That basically means you will be able to configure and install and even program IoT devices with zero knowledge. You do not need to be an IT expert or someone who is into cyber security or AI. This is a beginner friendly course and it will start from very basic. You don't need any skills. and you will become an IoT expert. You will get a university level certification and you will be able to create your own course. Now let's take a look at pricing. All of these things will be provided only for 999 rupees. You get instant access to the course, one-on-one guidance, career guidance. The best part is, if you want all the components that are covered in the course and you want to create your own device at your home, the pricing is even lower. Please contact and check the details provided in the description. We also provide one-on-one career guidance. If you really want to become and work for the cops, just contact us on WhatsApp for more details on one-on-one career guidance, and that is free career guidance.